Hey, family.
Hi, family.
There you go. This is Angel, right? She's my niece and our cousin. And today we are at Ikea. Check it out. There's Grandma and Aunt Trisha. There's Zachary Ryan. And we're just hanging around, taking a look around, right? Having fun? Yeah, having fun checking out Ikea. This is the Ikea. Yeah, this is the Ikea in Grand Prairie. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a blast over at the store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all later. We're about to watch the Pokemon movie. Pokemon I Choose You. It's up on Pokemon.tv right now, so better check it out. Anyways, that's going to do it, and we will talk to you later. Love, peace, and chicken grease.
Love, peace, and chicken grease.